Welcome to our channel. Today, we're making delicious brown sugar tapioca pearls from high-quality tapioca starch. These black 4-minute quick cooking pearls are gelatin-free, healthy, and perfect for making bubble tea at home. Steps to make. 1. Boil 500 milliliters of water in a pot over high heat. 2. Once boiling, add the quick cooking black tapioca pearls. 3. Cover the pot and cook on high for 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Turn off the heat and let the pearls sit, covered, for an additional 2 minutes. 5. Use a strainer to drain the water and transfer the pearls to a bowl. 6. Finally, add your prepared brown sugar syrup, and enjoy your tasty brown sugar pearls. The cooking method for our amber quick cooking tapioca pearls is the same as for the black ones. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you'd like to purchase quick cooking tapioca pearls and bubble tea, visit our website at www.AdmirinGazeland.com. Thanks for watching.